with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, a few chances of snow as we head into the weekend, but most of the weekend is looking pretty nice. And the next 24 hours will be very quiet. You can see that on the satellite picture here. Our next weather maker, well, this is way out in the northwestern part of the United States. This does take a while to get here, and you can see the center of all this out here in the Dakotas. So we'll be watching this over the next several days here, but you can see that this is well over a day and a half away, so it does take a while for this to arrive in southern New England. That would be tomorrow night, and we'll discuss what that means for our Futurecast in terms of your Friday night plans and Saturday morning plans coming up in just a second. In the meantime, nice blue skies here over the hurricane barrier. We have a bit of a breeze coming in from the north as a cold air mass sets up today temporarily. Blue skies here over Oakland Beach and Warwick. You could see mostly bare ground, a lot of that snow completely gone after the temperatures have been very mild the past couple days. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 not showing any precipitation, and we're going to stay in the 30s for the most part today. 35 Providence, 34 in Smithfield right now, 35 in Westerly, and these are pretty much your high temperatures for this afternoon. Tiverton, you're at 33 degrees. Notice the winds north at 13 miles an hour, making it feel more like in the upper 20s to low 30s today. Westerly, you're checking in right now at 35 degrees. All right, here is that Friday night timing of that next system. You could see some light snow likely after 8 or 9 p.m. This will not stick very much because it's a fast mover. There's not a lot of moisture, and I am expecting this to change over to some rain showers overnight through Saturday morning. You can see this is the wee hours of Saturday morning, and as we head into the later hours of Saturday morning, we should be done with all of this with increasing sunshine. So a pretty nice Saturday on the way once we get through some of those morning rain showers. This afternoon, 35 with a wind out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, cool, not unusually cold for this time of year, 18 degrees, nowhere near the negative numbers we saw a few days ago. And as we look at that 7-day Futurecast, a few things to go over here. First of all, Friday, tomorrow, a pretty nice day. The winds will be very light, and you don't have to worry about that approaching snow until the nighttime hours after 8 or 9 p.m. Now on Saturday, 48 for a high temperature, a mix of sun and clouds. The reason I do not have the raindrops on the 7-day right there is because they will be over with very early, so by 7, 8, maybe 9 o'clock in the morning at the latest. We're done with the showers. And then look at this. Lunchtime on Saturday, 47 degrees with a mix of sun and clouds, and by 5 p.m. we're still doing pretty well with temperatures in the upper 40s. Now on Sunday, here's where things get a little bit iffy. Sunday during the day looks dry, nice temperature around 49 degrees. And then Sunday night into Monday morning, I'm watching a potential snow or rain maker. A few of our models have a complete miss, so this could actually end up being a complete miss. But Sunday night into the morning of Monday, there's a chance of some rain or snow. We're kind of right on the fence right now in terms of that storm track, and we basically need to look at more information throughout the weekend to make the final call on that. And Tony will have another look at the data later on this evening in his 5 p.m. newscast. Notice as we head into Tuesday, not bad, 41 degrees, a mix of sun and clouds. And then on Wednesday, I have raindrops on the map right now with a temperature of 42. Now, that system could be significant in terms of precipitation. It could be a lot of rain, or it could be a lot of mixed precipitation where we get rain, snow, or sleet. Too far out right now to make the call on that, but that is certainly worth watching as we go throughout the weekend in terms of how that system will develop throughout the middle of next week. It does appear that something will be falling from the sky, Danielle,
right,
as we head into next Wednesday. It's just a matter of what kind of precipitation. As I just mentioned, Tony's in starting live at 5 with an updated Futurecast. Of course, you have our apps on your iPhone. You can track that forecast throughout the weekend as well.
All right. Thanks, Pete. And now a quick look at what we're working on live at 5 tonight. A man who